We're back in Batam after about 2 weeks of moving along the Malaysian coast. And I don't know if you can see that. This is just from being underway for 2 weeks with no opportunity to scrub. It is nasty.
Welcome. We're Kevin and Janine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a McConaughey 55 catamaran.
Today is February 8th and we are leaving Batam.
So we're here, first stop, Belitung,
Yep.
Kumai, and then
Depends
get to
on
Bali and we'll figure out where
Yep.
we kind
How
of
we
want
wanna
to
do that.
stop in between. By the way,
Good.
remember Kai and Monica?
Hi.
So we've got our crew, Kai and Monica, with us, who we met in Dominican Republic and then Bahamas. Been preparing the boat, doing some little projects while we waited for our visas to get sorted.
Today we're fueling at Nongsa Marina in view of getting all topped up before heading out into the wilderness. Janine is on port side emptying our old Jerry's. So right now we're transferring using the fuel transfer pump from starboard main to port inside fuel bladder. So we have 6 fuel tanks total.
Kai cleaned out the engine mixing elbows, we installed a ship's horn loudhailer, tested all our life jackets, practiced safety drills, packing and throwing our throw line.
Nice throw.
Made meals together, accessed our window motors, did more troubleshooting of the AC unit, did a quick rigging check, and a bunch of other things too. And yesterday, got our passports back. We're stamped, we're official.
So our long-term visa wasn't ready in time for our arrival. So now when we arrived, we had to pay for a 30-day visa on arrival. Now that we've got issued our long stay, it's a 2-year multiple entry visa, we are having to leave the country in order to come back in on that other visa. So we're heading to the ferry terminal.
Yep, Batam Center, ferry terminal.
To go to
Singapore.
Just go for a little side quest. Wait for the boat for a minute.
It's all messy. Never seen such a busy jewelry shop. We're ready to go. So, yeah, that's it. We're going.
underway from Batam to Belitung. So it's about a 300-mile passage. And now we've got full exposure to the South China Sea. But the winds haven't been too strong. It's fairly shallow, so it makes it a bit choppy though. And by choppy, I mean short period waves. It's actually fairly comfortable.
I don't know.
Oh, we have a fish! Is it a Spanish mackerel? Hey! First Spanish mackerel! Woohoo! Almost to Belitung. Coming into Belitung is a little bumpier than last time we were here. Wind is from the north, which means anchorage maybe not so protected. But we'll see what happens. Oh, it's a monkey. Yeah.
Repeat after me. King Neptune,
King Neptune,
ruler of the seas.
ruler of the seas.
We honor you as we prepare to cross. This sacred line. So let's start with the libations. You had something you wish to offer an offering.
Yeah.
Yep.
You have to offer in some aquavit from which
Aquavit.
earlier has crossed this secret line
2 times.
2 times. This is first offering to you, Neptune. Oh, man. Or woman, or what you are, your girl.
So they specially brought this with them.
Show me.
They learned that it tastes better when it's been sloshing around in oak casks at
Yeah.
sea.
Crossing the
So it-
equator twice.
Twice
before.
across the equator already.
So
So now,
third time.
the third time,
That's good.
goes back to the
Yeah.
sea. All right.
And you can take. I have something sticking up here, which is quite good. So
Go bold.
take it all the way.
There you go.
Yeah. That's correct. You have to share it with him. Cheers, Nathan. Yeah. Hope you like the hair.
Just on its own, it wasn't really enough. So,
Yeah,
still
it's
not that
spicy.
spicy.
Mm-hmm.
A little hot sauce and a jalapeno. It's a pickled jalapeno. So
I'm
it's
not
super
taking the whole
spicy.
one.
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Pledge
And I pledge
to serve as a true and faithful shellback
to serve as a true and faithful shellback
from this day hence
from this day hence
to King Neptune.
to King Neptune. Yay!
Hooray! From this day hence.
To King Neptune.
To King Neptune.
To King Neptune.
Welcome.
So now
Hey.
it's shellback.
Now you have to dip a toe in the water.
Yeah. It's done.
All right.
Goodbye, Belitung.
we are just clipping along. The wind was just too soft with this lumpy seas, so we're motoring.
Looks good.
It's really good. It smells amazing.
So this is a brief update. Instead of going straight from Belitung to Bali's where we were going. We decided that we had an extra week, so we're coming up the Kumai River to see some orangutans.
Orangutan.
So here we are. We came from Belitung, and this is the bottom of Borneo, area known as Kalimantan. And if I zoom in here, zoom, zoom, zoom. There are these red dots. That's just the course I've set. So we're going to head up here to Kumai, and then there's a river mouth here where I expect we'll be going for our orangutan tour, 2-day tour.
These concrete buildings with no windows are all over the city of Kumai. Their purpose is to farm swallows and cultivate their nests. The swallows, or swiftlets, are attracted to the buildings by loudspeakers emitting bird calls. These particular birds build their nests using their saliva, forming it into a shallow cup stuck against the wall. Edible birds' nests are particularly prized by the Chinese and are among the most expensive animal products consumed by humans, typically in the form of bird's nest soup. This is ID,
Hi, thank you
our
so
tour
much.
guide,
Good
and
morning.
these two, Kai and Monica, are heading out today. Off on an adventure.
Perfect.
Bye! So this morning, Kai and Monica left on their orangutan tour. Meanwhile, we're taking advantage of a little bit of rain. Doing some scrubbing because the boat was really salty. Spicy weather. Oh, another big flash. We've been trying to save water while we're here because the river is chocolate brown. And we realized this is the perfect water collection spot for rainwater. So we have filled all of these buckets. All these are rainwater, and it's still coming down, and it all filled really fast. Who knew we had a rainwater collection spot? Now, as long as we don't get hit by lightning. Secret entrance. There are mosquitoes. Turn tail and run. Oh my gosh, yeah, okay, I'm getting swarmed. Ah! We're adventuring into town today. Gonna check out Kumai.
Just came back from the market, dunking the fruit because we didn't see him, but he popped out when we dunked it. Doesn't like being in the water. So, not much came out of the rambutans, although they have lots of places to hide. But bananas. Usually it's ants. Don't often see an earwig. Next time, we head up a small jungle river on a private boat to look for jungle wildlife, including the elusive orangutan.